guys, happy new year. We made it through 2021. What does 2022 have in store for us? I'm very wary, but I'm excited for YouTube world and what we have in store for you. Today is the first day of a brand new series that Rebecca, who actually likes to go by Becky, fun fact, and I decided to start because we both are in dire need to kill our stash and not buy other things and use what we have. So we got together and we were talking. Do you have a bunch of those collections where it's like there's just this much left and I just need the push to use it? That is our main focus. So we're taking those collections that was only a little bit left and we're gonna smash them. We're gonna get them done. And then we're going to add a challenge on top of that as well. So this series is going to go every Saturday. Our hopes is to also have some YouTube lives together. TBD on when we're going to schedule that, but hopefully we'll give you enough heads up that we can do that, where we will do our stash smash together. But not only do we want to kill those kits or kill those collections or smash what we have left of those collections, but we also have stash items, other stash items that just need to be used. So we've also challenged ourselves and given ourselves different lists. So I gave Rebecca or Becky 7 items, and she gave me 7 items to dig through my stash and try to use on all these layouts as well. We gave 7 items in hopes that at least we can get 5 of the 7 on, not knowing how much of each thing. So for example, my things I also have to try to use, besides however many kits or collections I can use up this month, are sequins I need to use, thread and twine, pocket cards, mists, tissue paper, paper clips, and wood veneer. So those are my 7 items. So I've already gathered some of the things, and I'm gonna use probably the tiniest collection or kit I have left. And what's awesome about this is, so I have a lot of scrap room kits, and you do 1 or 2 layouts, and then there's not much left of them. So I'm gonna be able to hopefully get rid of a ton of them. My goal is to take some before and after photos of where I store them and hopefully see a difference after a few months. So stay tuned for that. So I have a bunch of partial kits. So this is going to be the first one we've got going on here, which is Paige Evans. What was the fall one called this year? It's probably right on the back of this. Nope, that's not a branding strip. And technically this one's so small that it wouldn't count. Bungalow Lane. So I have 2 branding strips, another strip of paper. Is this also a branding strip? Yep, another branding strip, another tiny strip of paper. The cut apart sheet, I have 2 tags left. This was a tag, but I love this pattern. And then this was from a tag. And the little bit of embellishments I had from the collection, I pulled out these sequins, which were from a color kit from Shimmers from a few years ago. I've got this twine. I've got this lovely craft tissue paper. I've got a photo of us in the car. I'm actually not in this photo. I'm right here. A photo of us in the car on the way to Chicago. I've got these Redefine Creative wood veneer heart bubbles. I'm hoping to use those. I'll grab some pocket cards here in a second. Oh, I have this one. This was really cute. From Citrus Twist, which kind of goes. So maybe I'll tuck that in somewhere. So that is the plan for this layout, but I just want to kind of give you an idea. So this one's going to be a little bit longer just because I'm showing you what our plan is, but I'm going to show you some examples of some other kits that I plan on using this month. So let me just move this stuff so it's a little... So I think I have, I just have to, and I plan on doing a mixed media background because I have like 0 paper left of this collection. But it's like things like this, like just smash it, just get rid of it, be done already. So I have that. And then I have Pink Fresh, is this Days of Splendor. I have 1 12x12 left, some pattern papers, and like all the embellishments in the world. And apparently a Nerf dart. So like that is one I'm gonna use, hopefully use up this month. Let's see what else. this, the Lake Life, also like a scrap room kit. There's just one 12 by 12 and some papers and some embellishments. That'll be one I try to use up this month or for this series. These are all, here's some more. Here's Farm to Table by Cartabella. Try and use that one up. Here's an old, so a lot of these are coming from my Product Focus Fridays as well. This is a Crate Paper old collection. Try and use that one up. And just pull all these out. Echo Park. I think it's, oh no, Simple Stories, Family Fun. Try and use this one up. This one has a little bit more. It's got 2 pieces of paper. This is a Bella Boulevard. Sunshine. It's got a cut file in it. Try to use that one up. What else? What else? Oh, this is Pink Fresh Christmas line, Holiday Vibes. Try to use that one up. And it'll just be so nice to see these bags emptied. This is my One Canoe 2 stash. Get that used up. This is some older Heidi Swapp Magnolia Jane. I think it's mostly Magnolia Jane. Maybe another collection thrown in there. Nope, I think it's all Magnolia Jane. So try and use that up. And then like I have no embellishments for that. So that'll be easy to grab embellishments. This is my Color Me Happy. It's just all pocket cards and embellishments. My Magical Forest. I have no 12 by 12s left. My Simple Stories. What was this one? What's it called? Cozy Days. Yeah. Use that one up. My Simple Stories Summer Farmhouse. Do you see this? How it's like there's just a little bit left. And look at all what this space is taking up. If I could just get these gone, I would have room for more stuff. So that is the goal. This one too, and this one's a little bit bigger. I have a few more papers in this, but this is Fresh Bouquet and a little bit of Garden Party. Use that up. Lots of embellishments. So that's a bigger one, but so that one will probably work on last. Oh dear, avalanche. So that is my goal. Those are the first few I want to use. So those are the ones you're going to be seeing this first month or two. And if I can get those all gone this month, I will be super, super excited. And then I kind of started splitting up some of my Pink Fresh as well. I only had this one paper from Case of the Blahs, and then I have like the 6x6 pad. And these are just other like little tickets from something else, but they go really well with it. So I kind of started building a little page kit for this one. So this I could also use. So this is like an example of something too. Case of the Blahs, this is all I have left. So use it up. I could do this. Becky and Adam are also doing a little series every Tuesday where this is what you use. That one piece of paper you've been hoarding or saving, or that one thing, and just use it. Basically put together a page kit or just stash dive and use all your stash. So yeah, so that is my plan. I'm gonna move that giant pile, and hopefully I will show you a dent in that stuff soon. But enough chit chat. I'm gonna go gesso some white cardstock and we are gonna get started. All right, so we're gonna get into the mixed media here in a second whilst I just kind of arrange my page with those strips of paper and those branding strips that I have left and figure out what I wanna do so I know where my mixed media should go. I'm just gonna tell you a little bit about my membership. I am gonna have a membership. It's not really necessary that you have, I'm not gonna take away anything that I have already. I'm not gonna suddenly not have series and put on my membership. I'm not going to do anything like that, but I am going to put on there things like more information or tips and tricks on what I do to help myself stay organized, which if you can call me organized, I'm not, but a little glimpse into the chaotic life I have of scrapbooking, maybe some live scrapbooking, live chats while we do something, maybe some silhouette tutorials on how I use it and what I use it for, the insider stuff of how I finish an album, and how I make sure one gets finished, with like my organization on that. More detailed mixed media or slowed down mixed media, things like that. Yeah. So with this layout, so I'm going to have that as membership, 99 cents, that's it. So it's going to be all the stuff that I just don't necessarily want to flood my main stuff with, but all this like extra stuff that maybe some people would be interested in. And I figured 99 cents. That's all. It's the lowest I could go. It doesn't let you go lower, I don't think. I don't think. Anywho. So I used up 3 4x6 pocket cards, which is awesome. And I was toying with that other little ephemera piece. So I pretty much smashed this collection. This is Bungalow, and like I said, what I end up with is just a few ephemera pieces and a few ephemera pieces. I think, is that it? Yeah. Oh, a few ephemera pieces and some the puffy stickers that I have that I got in this little collection. That's it. So not a lot left. So there you kind of saw how my layout was going to go. So I'm going to create some mixed media with my mists, which is one of the requirements from Becky, for one of my 7 things I should get. I end up getting 6 things of the 7 on here. And we said we at least do 5. So mists, I use Ocean, Rockefeller Blues, Ahoy Matey, Forget Me Not, and Ocean Vibes. Love Ocean Vibes. I think is my favorite color, my favorite spray that I have. It is gorgeous. It's that tealy greeny blue. It's just so pretty. I love it. And then I really like Rose by Any Other Name or something like that is the one. And Dandelion. Oh, I love that yellow for the little pots. Anywho. So I'm channeling my inner Missy Whitten. I'm channeling my inner mixed media, and I've gessoed the paper, and I'm just spritzing and spraying with water and moving it and spritzing them together and mixing the things, and I'm liking the way it's looking. So I'm going to set it aside to dry after this, but what I decided after I kind of, I'll dab up some of the puddles, and I'm going to add some gold, and this is not Jane Davenport. Yeah. Oh no, I use some white acrylic paint for some splatters, and I use the Lindy's Magical Moon Shadow Mist in, what's this one called? Golden to Bloom, and it's got this beautiful gold. Oh, beautiful. And then Dina Wakley gloss spray, and is the white, and so I splatter that on too. I wasn't sure if I got that on my recording, because my brain has been like, well, my kid's down here while I'm recording, I can't hear myself think, let alone hear if my iPhone turned on or off the recording. It's really hard. All right, so it's all dry, it's all shimmery, it's all gorgeous. I glued together all those things so I could see where it was looking, that center cluster of papers and layers and the tags, and I glued those all together just so I could see when I was doing the mixed media. So now I'm going to tie this like rustic twine, like actually looks like baling twine, on here on my tags, and I'm going to start gluing things down. Now I end up cutting out a bunch of just gluing down the left-hand side because I was having glue issues and it was constant and I kept fussing with it. And so, yeah, I just kind of glued the left-hand side down, glued the middle down, and now I'm going to show you gluing the upper right-hand side. But, I mean, it's just laying strips down where I think I like them. And then I tore that, what was left over, it was the back side of a tag. But it was a beautiful like khaki and white leaf print. I love it. That's going to be those edges. And I used the coffee cups because this photo was taken really early morning and we were on a road trip, so we had to get up at the crack of dawn. My first time and my sister's first time to Chicago. I'm pretty sure our mom had gone to Chicago before, but it had been a long time. And then our cousin who lived in Madison, she'd been in Chicago, a very social person, social events type thing. So she had been to Chicago before. But yeah, road trip in Chicago for a surprise for my cousin and my aunt at the time. One was she turning 16? Yes, and my aunt was turning 40? 50? 50? I don't remember. I don't remember what birthdays it was. I'm guessing 50. That would make sense. Yeah, that would make sense. So yeah. Yeah, that was 6 years ago. Yep, that would totally make sense. So we were, doing a surprise girls, like all my aunts and girls' cousins in Chicago. It was actually very, very fun. So I just grabbed the one little ephemera piece that says goal list because this is totally on my goal list to go to Chicago. So I tucked that up there. I'm going to journal all on the left-hand side, that open tag. I put those 2 wood veneer down. I'm going to place some sequins down right now, and I did the 2 Chi-Town below, and I really just like the way that turned out with the gold letters. But yeah, super fun. I love the way it turned out. Here's some close-ups shortly, and I thank you for watching our brand new series. And like I said, hopefully we will be live sometime soon. Not TBD. I don't know if we'll be able to do it in the first month. We'll see. It depends on Becky's schedule and my schedule. And yeah, stay tuned, and we'll see you next Saturday. Bye, guys.